Right, so hey guys, Hendosaurus here. Today we're going to be doing some renovations on my computer. We've got, over here, got a new motherboard and CPU to go in. So let's get to that then. Well, to start with, all I've got to do, I've got to unplug all my connectors and shit, so better get rid of all those. And then on my graphics card, that's all my cables for all my monitors up there. It's actually quite a bit of a mess behind it. And then, oh, how are we going to do this? Idiot. Sure. So what we're doing today is we're taking that motherboard there out and we're swapping it for a different one. And there's all my hard drives and stuff that I put in the back, and then my power supply's just there. So I've got everything just pulled out now, so what I need to do, I need to take these screws here, those ones need to come out first, those two there, and then the graphics card will come out, so then I can undo all the motherboard screws, and then take all the cables out, and then we'll be able to put the new motherboard in. So let's get started with that. So we've got the old motherboard out and we've just got all our cables and all our standoffs and just everything sitting here. So it'll focus. All the standoffs. Well, we've ran into a bit of an issue here. As you can see, my graphics card, I've got this cutout slot here for it, but the PCIe slot here is not. Hold on. The PCIe slot is not lined up with it. So we're going to have to work out what I'm going to do with that. Right, so at the moment we've just, we've got our graphics card issue there because it's not going to fit. So we're just seeing if there's going to be any boot issues, so we'll just hit the switch quickly. I think we're on one of our side monitors. I'm not sure actually. This one. Well, apparently you need to uninstall your drivers and stuff first, or you have to reset your fucking PC. Good work, Microsoft, well done. So after a few boot issues, we've actually sorted, we didn't have to reset our store Windows, we've actually got it going there. So it's all my files still safe, so hopefully yay. Hey, at the moment we're not going to have our PC in the back of the desk anymore because we have that's fun. We have an issue with the graphics card not fitting, so we're just going to have it in the case now. So that idea's kind of died. Oh well. Okay guys, now we've sorted all that out. Now we're just taking all of our stuff out the back of the computer now, and we're going to be putting it in the case so that it can have my graphics card in there because of my hole in my desk is not big enough. So I'll get back to you when we've done all this. Right, so we've got our PC all put away in that case now. And now this desk is going to be moved from here over to just hit this way here, and then we're going to have a green screen up there soon. So that means that this PC will just be sitting behind the back here, and I'll probably put something behind it. So let's do that then. Well, my desk's been all moved around and now it's this way, so now I'm just going to clean everything up. And yeah, I've got my drivers all working, it's all booted into Windows, display drivers and all the drivers and everything are installed and working properly. It's always good. And yeah, I just got to really clean up now and see how it's going. So, see you then. Right guys, so we've got everything moved around. I haven't really cleaned up yet, but if you want to see horrible cable management, look, we're literally there. Like, how horrible is that? I will sort that soon, but just thought I'd show everyone how bad it is. Just cables and crap everywhere. The rest of my room's horrible as well. It's just everything everywhere. I need to sort everything. But at the moment, we've got all my desk and stuff. We've got my monitors. My computer seems to be working in, which is great. We've got to just tie everything up, cable manage, and then we'll be all good to go. So, get back to you soon. I'll have to sort something out later. But thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and catch you next time. See yous.